Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, back with another video. So today we are going to Devarayana Durga Hills. Mithun just went past ahead. I'm gonna catch up to him in a minute. On the way to DD Hills, there's a lot of, photo shoot kind of areas. We'll get some photo shoots there and probably some reels for my Instagram. It's kind of like a cloudy day, I think. I can see the blue sky a bit, but it's a bit cloudy. I hope the video won't be whitewashed like my previous videos. I've changed the camera settings, trying to make it as good looking as possible. We were supposed to go very early, but then Mithun got up late, so I went to his place. Here's the video. We've come to Mithun's place to pick him up. He got a bit late, and there is Lobo, Mithun's dog. Hello. It's a Z650 ride, like I told in the last video, the service video. If you wanna check that video out, I'll put the link down in the description below. Here is Mithun. He is looking at where we are supposed to go. So it's 7:20 AM right now. We'll have breakfast first on the way and then go to the hills. We are about 60 kilometers away. We're almost there. Woo. There's a bit of sunshine, so I've reduced the ISO to 100. Ho ho ho. God damn. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh. Whew. Look at that. Wow. Ho ho ho. That was cool. That was awesome. Woo. Alright guys, we're going to another location, but yeah, this view is awesome. Alright guys, we've done the photo shoot in the second location. Look at the view over there. It was a very eventful day. Really had fun. Thanks to Mithun and Kirtan, who also took a lot of photos and videos of all our bikes. Look at the Nags. They were pretty fun to hang out with. Here's Mithun. He's gonna take a turn somewhere, but we're going together on the way. Scrambler stuff. I forgot to, talk about it the entire video, but thank you so much for 500 subscribers. That's really a big thing for me. That's that's a bit of love, and I appreciate that. So yeah, thank you guys so much for that. And there goes Mithun. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please drop a like, share and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Ride safe. Peace.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on